Welcome back to Cartoons React. I'm Tono, and today we're going to take a look at another Christmas short. This is called Bedtime for Sniffles. Sniffles, if you don't remember, he's a little mouse that is part of the Looney Tunes. He had a few short specials that existed, but not much. And I'm not sure if it was the last time he was shown, but he was on the original Space Jam. He was part of the team. I think he was just squashed by a basketball, and that was it for him. But yeah. Let's see what we have here. I think this. I'm not sure. I don't remember if this is before Christmas Day or is set before New Year's. So I'm not sure it's before Christmas Day. So yeah, let's see. And let's just take a look at the short. There's Sniffles. That's his voice. Because he's a little mouse. So he supposedly has to sound this mousy, squeaky and all.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Da-da-da-dum, through the fields we go. Da-da-da-da-da.
Da-da-da-da-da.
Gee, in 1 hour...
It's Christmas. Yeah.
Thank you.
Did Miro just answer?
Not a bad-looking mouse.
Sleep, baby, sleep.
Oh. Is that gonna put him to sleep? Because he wants to.
Tender lullaby.
Dashing through the snow in a one.
Oh yeah, the
Measles!
Jingle all the way.
yeah, the
Oh,
one
what fun it is
is
to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells,
brush.
jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what
Thought
fun
for
it
a
is.
minute I...
It'll be hilarious if he actually got the measles. Like, man, how you doing? Yeah, he's falling asleep again. Because he can't stay awake again. For the entire time. Oh, it's almost 12. Fell asleep? Yeah, he dropped all the coffee. So he's been asleep for a long time. Good housekeeping. Good housekeeping. Time to retire. Catch my other man who called home. There's the bed. It's funny how many people don't get that you have to stay awake for 12 hours to sleep long before that, so you're more rested. Seems like drops. Seriously. He fell asleep at the wire? Oh, he's seeing himself. Wait, is his spirit already sleeping? I cannot. That look doesn't look good. Okay. There's his spirit, I'm assuming, trying to get him to bed. And Ryder. How was he moving if his spirit was out of himself? Calm episode. It's more like let's just wait for the night. So yeah. I don't. Another one that I don't know if I ever saw, because I was really little. I was 4 or 5 years old the last time I remember seeing many of these. So yeah. Hope you guys liked it. I enjoyed it as well. I enjoyed it too much. So yeah. Hope as always, just comment down below, give us a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later.